So he transforms now into a wheeled
15-foot goose.
You know, like one of the ones like
the pedal boats.
Yeah, pedal boat
with wheels.
He's cooler.
And we'll have a spider bike on top of a goose car held by a dragon APC.
You know, if we put on crowns, we'll look like a parade float.
Yeah, RPG sessions are like when highly caffeinated 8-year-olds get together and smash their action figures together.
And I ran
so far away.
Echo is assembling his unholy army of the night.
The honking, when you hear the honk, run.
If you hear the honk, it's already too late.
Honk.